Hi everyone, so in this video we're gonna learn about this.
Okay everyone, so in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can cancel your Audible membership through Amazon. Alright, so to do this, log into your Amazon account. After that, just go up to this menu, account and list. Go down and click on account. So under your account we see that we have these boxes. So we're gonna go to this one, memberships and subscriptions. Now locate this one, Audible membership. Click on that. Alright, so here you see your settings for Audible, and the first thing you need to check is this one, credits available. So as you can see, I have 2 credits. If you cancel your membership without use those credits, you will lose them. Alright, so before you cancel your Audible membership, I recommend you to go and buy some audiobooks, because after you have canceled your membership, you can still use your books. Alright, so I'm just gonna pause this video. I'm gonna go and use these credits. So if you have any credits, go and use them. Okay, so as you can see, I now have 0 credits. Now we're gonna go down to this one, membership, options and help. Alright, so go down to this one, cancel membership, click on that. So just log into your Audible account. Alright, so then we got this page. Before you go, we recommend you to use any remaining credits you may have. After you cancel, you lose access to your member benefits and all credits at the end of your final billing period. Alright, and you can also read this text. After that, just click on continue canceling. So then we have this page, let us know why you are canceling. So just choose one of these options. So I'm just gonna click on other reason. Click on continue canceling. After that, we're gonna go down to this one, finish canceling. Click on that. Alright, so then we get this message. So your membership will be cancelled at the end of your current billing period. Alright, so you can continue to enjoy everything that's included with your membership before this date. Alright, okay everyone, so this is how you can cancel your Audible membership through Amazon. I hope this helped.
Okay everyone, so I hope this video helped you out. If you like this one, you can give thumbs up, you can leave a comment below. You can also subscribe to my channel right here for more of these videos. And please check out my latest video right here. So I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.